This is going to be a reading for Taurus people. So what's really coming up for you? I see the Ten of Cups. So there is happiness coming up for you. You guys. I see someone wanting to express their feelings towards you. I see your dreams coming true for many of you. I know this is your birthday season, and things are going to happen in your way. The way you like it. Okay. So Ten of Cups. I do see you being extremely happy for the entire month going on. I know this is a lockdown season, but things are going to somewhat work in your side. Okay. So in terms of what's the main focus going to be, I do feel that you have genuine love towards someone. This person could be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I also see a Aries for some of you. I see a Virgo, Scorpio, strong. Also see a Capricorn for some of you. Okay, could also be a Libra, but I do feel that you love someone, be it any sign. You do have feelings for someone, and this whole month you are going to be in your emotions. Your main focus is going to be your emotions and what you are really wanting to do with your life. That is Queen of Cups. Okay, so in the past I see the Fool card. So you guys might have taken a leap of faith towards something new in your life, or you guys decided to take this jump forward towards something that you were wanting to move forward. It could be either new or something that you were wanting to move forward. Okay, so based on your person, your soulmate, this person is going through a tower moment. Okay, so they are basically going through a fallout. If this person had someone in like a third party or some chaos drama around them, then that is falling apart. Your person is going through some major changes. With the Death card, I do feel this person wants to change now. Okay, with Queen of Pentacles, this person wants to nurture the situation with you, nurture the relationship that they have with you, fix it, want to put in effort. Okay, I do see that very much coming in. So in terms of how do they feel about you now, Taurus soulmate? How do they truly feel about Taurus now? With the Hanged Man, this person definitely has feelings for you. In the past, they could have been holding back. I see a strong Pisces. I do not know why. Could also be a Sag. But this person right now wants to find balance in the situation. Yes, they're going to hold back a lot. Things are not going to happen very, very fast. But they have intentions to. Right now, this person feels like they cannot walk away from you or move on from you. They are very much looking at you from a distance and thinking, like possibly thinking of you. Possibly thinking of bringing in peace and, wanting to bring in balance in this connection. Okay. So one card for how do they feel when they think of you, Taurus soulmate? This person wants to come forward towards you with the Chariot card. Okay, and this person possibly wants to offer you a possible relationship. Okay, so what are they possibly wanting to offer? Let's see. Let's clarify that. What do they possibly want to offer Taurus now? Yeah, with the Magician, this person does want to manifest and possibly take things forward with you. Okay, so one card for how are they possibly going to act on it? How are they possibly going to act on it for Taurus for the month of May? Yeah, this person is going to give you their attention. This thing is going to move forward. With the Hierophant, many of you guys could get commitment. This is serious. Okay, so that is your card. Usually the Hierophant, that's your card. But with Page of Swords, this person will start small, but things are going to move forward. Okay, so what are they possibly wanting from you now? One card for what's the Taurus one possibly wanting from Taurus now? This person wants to reunite with you. They want to get back with you. I see a very much get together thing going on between you and them. So one card for where this relationship is possibly moving forward between Taurus and their soulmate now. If someone was trying to run away from their own feelings, what's the outcome going to be, Spirit, by the end of the month? What's the total outcome we see, or the final outcome? Sorry. Yeah, someone who has ghosted you is going to return back to you. Okay, this person was hiding their feelings from you with Seven of Swords. They tried to behave very sneaky. They were not really letting you know what they were up to in the past. Okay, I do feel that this person eventually is going to return. With Five of Pentacles in the reverse being the outcome, I do see a strong return. Okay, so one card for what are they possibly wanting from you in terms of action now? What are they possibly waiting on? Yeah, this person wants to talk to you. They want to possibly make things clear with you. And with Ace of Cups being the last card of the reading, I do feel that this person wants to revive the connection. For many of you, if you do not want the past person, I do see a new lover coming in for you guys. Okay, so love messages from your person for Taurus. Love messages for Taurus people. Okay. My heart misses you so much. You are still the lover I want. Okay. I love you, but I fear the connection. So, last message we have for you is I want to be with you for the rest of my life. Okay, so this is your reading. I hope you connected with the reading. If you have, please do hit the like button, guys. It really helps me to grow the channel. Please support the channel with your subscribes, your comments, and thank you so much for coming in and keep coming back for regular readings. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home, guys. Love you.